Hi friends, this is something fun you can do at home. This is an ice cube tray. I don't know how many of you have ever seen this, but you pour water in here and it freezes in the freezer and it becomes ice cubes. This ice cube tray makes ice that looks like this shape. You can also put ice with a stick in a cup and you have to kind of hold it for it to come out. Today I'm going to just use this one with my watercolor palettes, and we have really big palettes here at school, and you're just going to take your ice cube. If it's too cold, the best way to make an ice cube is to put it on a popsicle stick. And you just roll it into here and give it a minute because it's going to take the water from here, a little bit of time, and then you're going to paint on your paper. So look for your paper in your box. If you want to change colors, you can just use a different part of the ice, because ice is water that is frozen. And you can just paint anything you want. Isn't that fun? I love painting with ice. You can just change colors and look how pretty the ice looks when you're finished. It is cold, so you might want to wear a glove. It is wet. Another fun project you can do with the ice cube is put one in a regular glass and one in a glass, but pour ice on it. Or put another ice cube on top and pour salt on it. And see what happens. Which one defrosts first? The ice cube by itself or the ice cube with salt on it? I don't know the answer yet, so I have to try that. Let me know what you think. Which one goes faster? Ice with salt or ice by itself? Have fun. Bye, friends.